Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I have a surprise, kind of impulsive Chanel unboxing. If this is the first time you're ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we do have a unboxing. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Yes, hi, hello everyone. So I do have this unboxing. I am so excited because I saw this piece first on this Instagram page and they are called The Luxe Detective. So they are pretty much a personal shopper. So if you ever need anything that you can't find anywhere else, you can contact them. They travel a lot, so they'll try to find it for you. So I saw this piece with a luxury shopper first, but yesterday, me and my husband and a friend went into a Nordstrom because I wanted us to take a look, see what they had, see what was available, and I happened to find this piece right here. She's in like a little Chanel box. I love it so much. I had no idea that Nordstrom even had Chanel like that. I always thought places like Saks and Bergdorf's and Neiman Marcus maybe had Chanel, but Nordstrom? I love that. And when I saw this, like, you guys are not even ready. I'm so excited for this piece. You have no idea. This is from the 24A collection and it's very new. So it just recently came out. So this is part of the, I'm gonna butcher this. Please don't get upset with me if you speak French. The METIERS collection. METIERS_ART. Anyways, it's the 24A collection from Chanel. This is not a handbag. Let me just say that right now. I saw this piece, they had my size, and I was like, I need it. Because I've been looking for a piece like this. They're just very in right now. The type of item that it is, I just cannot wait to start wearing. And I think I can wear them in summer. We'll see. And you probably already know what they are. But here is the box. And then on top is my receipt. And then of course we have the Chanel little booklet here. Oh my God, they're shoes. So yeah, I mean, I figured y'all probably knew that they were shoes. I wanted to go in to see what size I would be in the Chanel ballerinas because I do like the Chanel ballerinas. But these are not the Chanel ballerinas. Let me just go ahead and say, because I did find out that I was at 8.5 in those shoes. But I still found that they were a little uncomfortable in the toe area because I tried on a 9 and they were just, I was flying out of them, but I could still feel a little pressure on my toes. Those shoes are just really particular and maybe it depends on the type of foot shape you have. I have no idea, but then tried these on because again, I had seen these on the personal shopper's Instagram and I was like, oh, those are so cool, but like, I'm never gonna be able to get those. Like I had no idea that my Nordstrom had these. And they had my size somehow. So I went ahead and picked them up because I asked the guy, I said, be completely honest with me. If I were to pass on these right now, would they still have my size in like a couple of weeks? And he was like, no. He said, not that you need to buy these. I'm not trying to like pressure you into buying these, but we have pretty much already sold out of a lot of our sizes. The black, they sold out of. They had these new like Chanel slides, like kind of sandals. They sold out of them in like 2 days. So he said that it's actually quite lucky that you were able to find your exact size. Are you seeing this? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. These are the 24A Chanel loafers in the color dark beige. Oh my God, I am so excited for these shoes. You have no idea. And these are in a 20, I keep saying 28, that's not true. It's a 38.5. Here's both of them together. And let me tell you, these fit so perfectly. I must just be like a true 38.5 because these fit like an actual glove. And he said that they're gonna stretch out a little bit. They're going to kind of not warp, but like kind of mold to your foot. They will stretch out. I tried these on first with like little footy socks that they give you at the store, like just the little stocking, and they were fine. But then I tried them on without the stocking and they were still fine. But I have a feeling that if I did try to wear socks with these, it would be tight. So I am gonna try to wear these without socks, especially for the summertime, because I think you can wear loafers in the summer, like with like some cute linen shorts or like a linen outfit or something very flowy. I think it would be so beautiful. But yeah, I'm mostly excited for fall and winter for these because we do have a trip booked in October to go back to Italy. I'm taking these with me 1,000,000%, and these were also super comfortable. I put them on and I wore them for like 15 minutes inside of Nordstrom, just walking around to make sure they were comfortable. They were so stinking comfy. It was crazy. Now, I don't know how it's gonna be after they stretch out or anything, but I am so excited about these. They're just stunning and I love this color. So let me take this out here, and then here's just what it looks like on the inside. And then look at this little turn lock. This thing actually works. And then you can like undo this. I don't know why you would do that. Like, I don't know what the point would be. Maybe to clean it or something. But then you can put it back and then turn the lock so it actually works. It's a functional little locking system. I don't know, but yeah, I think these are just some of the prettiest shoes that I have ever seen. And again, I've been wanting to try to find a loafer because I've seen the Celine loafers, the Gucci loafers, the Prada loafers. They're all very popular, but let me just be completely honest with you guys. I've been a bit obsessed with Chanel as of late. I feel like we all know that, but I wanted to get the Chanel ballerinas. I wanted to get sized for them because I know that the ballerina flats and just that kind of shoe is so popular right now. So like, I wanted to kind of get on the hype. I wanted to kind of jump on that trend. I know I don't need to because trends are trends, and like give it a little bit and the Chanel ballerinas are gonna go out of style, but they'll always come back in, like, you know, whatever. Those ones I'm not 100% sure on because I need to just go back and try them on again. I kind of tried them on very quickly. I will be trying them on for you so you can see them on my feet. I just think these are stunning. Now, they were a pretty penny. I will go over the pricing on these as well, just because I do think it's important. I know that the loafers in general are not new. They have done them in the past, but I'm not sure, maybe this color in particular is new, like the dark beige. I know that they have had regular beige and black and stuff, but I think the dark beige specifically is new to the 24A collection. These were $1,550. Editing Kenzie here, and one thing that I wanted to go over that I forgot to say, actually a couple things. Let me grab my box. So these were just things that I had forgot to mention while filming the video because I was just so excited about the video. These are also in crumpled lambskin, and again in the color dark beige. Now, I don't know what that means, if it's the same as like the lambskin they use on their handbags or whatever. Also, I know that these had a price increase. Like, I was looking around last night, like Googling them, and I do see that they have been around for a couple of years, but the ones that I've seen, they were priced at like $1,200, $1,300. So they have had a price increase, unfortunately. That sucks. I just wanted to let you know that. I was able to use double points situation, so I did do that. So I do get double Nord cash on this purchase, so I mean that will be nice, and I will save that up just because now that I know that Nordstrom has like luxury shoes, I have a feeling that I knew that they did, I just forgot, because every time I go into the store I see like Hoka's, I see the On sneakers, I see, you know, Tory Burch, I see just a bunch of regular kind of mid-range brands, but then on the other side is all the luxury stuff, and I always forget that about Nordstrom. Again, I do have 2 weeks to return just in case they don't end up working out, but guys, I love them so much, and they're gonna get so much wear, especially in the fall and winter, like you don't even know. That has been my unboxing video of my new Chanel loafers. Let me know in the comments if you like this video. Let me know if you like Chanel loafers, if you have a pair of Chanel shoes, rather that be the ballerinas, the loafers, the sneakers, whatever it might be. Let me know in the comments, or just leave me a comment down below because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you again for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!